In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Corner Cobra by Columbia Taping Tools. So on our inside 45 corners, we personally like to use no coat. And the Corner Cobra is one of the biggest time-saving tools for when installing it. So let's go ahead and we'll show you what I mean. So prior to putting mud in your corner, you want to take a measurement and get your no coat cut to length and get it slightly bent into shape. So you can see now though the corner has mud in it, so what you're going to want to do is take your no coat, put a little bend in it, stick it into the corner and just put it in place. And make sure too to put enough mud behind it, because that's one of the big problems that can happen with no coat is tomorrow you'll come back and there might be a dry spot and you're going to have to cut it out and fill it with mud. So always make sure there's enough mud behind it. So now it's time to use the Corner Cobra. And we'll take a quick little peek first at how it works. So you can see it has an adjustable wheel on the back, so you can find the perfect angle. And what this tool does is just basically squish your no coat into place. And it helps square it up too by the way it works. So what we're gonna do is take our Corner Cobra, push the bead in, the no coat in, and as you can see, put it here, and just use the wheel to adjust, fine tune it. You don't want it to rock, you just want to find the perfect corner right there. That looks good. It's going to put even pressure on both sides of the corner bead. And then simply just squish your no coat into place. What that is doing is pushing the mud out from the back and at the same time squaring it up to the perfect corner. And you can see it's a little bit messy, but at least now we know there's enough mud behind it, so there won't be any issues tomorrow. So as you can see, the Corner Cobra works really fast and efficiently at getting your bead nice and square in that 45, nice and straight, and getting the mud pulled out from behind, as opposed to the old way of using the backside of your putty knife, pushing. That was more physically demanding and just took more work. So the Corner Cobra works awesome for installing your no coat. And to finish the process, you would simply just clean up the mud that the Corner Cobra pushed out and fill your edge. That's it. So that would be how you would finish your no coat. Let's go look at something else the Corner Cobra can do though. So what's really cool about the Corner Cobra is just how versatile this tool really is. So we just showed you how it works with no coat, because it'll find virtually any inside angle. But what you can do, if you start wheeling it open, it gets to straight. Give it a little push in, and then start wheeling it back. And now you've got outside angles as well. So if you're going to be using, say, no coat on your outside 45s, or mud set beads, or square beads even, this Corner Cobra will do those as well. So all around, it's an amazing tool, really good bang for your buck, and we highly suggest this. Go check it out.